Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update on XRP. Right now, guys, we're sitting at 24 cents. We're down 2.9%. But there's something that I really wanted to bring to you here today. People who, invest in Ripple or they like XRP. What I wanted to point out to you is the simple fact that we're sitting at the same exact level now, guys, that we were sitting at before we ended up going to over $3 and we had that massive spike. And now what you've seen is basically a complete market cycle. So you can see when we blasted off, we were around that 24, 25 cents. And in a matter of a month, we went all the way up to around $3.36. We wicked up to it. I mean, guys, take a look at these percentage gains that came in. And this is how Ripple acts. Ripple is very fast, very aggressive with its moves to the upside. Take a look at that. That was up over 1,200%. Was that move, and now we're sitting at that same exact spot after we've had this entire market cycle. And something else I wanted to point out to you, take a look at our Fibonacci retracement, guys, and this shows a full bubble pop here. So if we go from our swing low to our swing high, we drop down even through the 0.886, which was at 50 cents. So right now, guys, the bubble's been popped. Could we go lower? Could we end up hitting that, 14, 15 cents? Yeah, anything's possible. If Bitcoin starts breaking down and goes down, somewhere to $6,000, and I'm sure Ripple will be going with it. But I just want to put it on your radar, the simple fact that XRP's one as well that really likes to have market cycles, guys. Take a look at this. We're going to go to XRP BTC. And guys, if you like me covering XRP, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know down low. Let me know what you've been doing with it. Are you investing in it? Are you trading it? Are you just waiting? Are you being patient? Do you believe another market cycle is going to come? Let me know down low. I'd appreciate it. Now, guys, we're going to go to XRP BTC, and we're going to look at Poloniex here, what I want to show you. So what XRP does, if you can look through here, these are market cycles. So from this low up to our high, take a look at this, guys. Now we're going to pull out our Fibonacci for you. So we're going to go from our swing low up to our swing high. You can see here yet again we traced down through the 0.886. And then what happened, guys? We had another market cycle. Okay, now we're going to do our Fibonacci on that, and we're going to see where we're at. And this is the historical stuff that I like to look at because these markets are cyclical. I mean, if you think XRP is just going to fall off the face of the earth and it's going to go to zero, then that's what you think. But to me, guys, I believe it's going to have another market cycle, and these market cycles can be so fast and aggressive. And it's one of those things, if you really don't have them or you haven't accumulated them, it's very hard to jump in just because of how quick the moves are. Take a look at this, guys. We dropped down through the 0.886, and now we're starting to kind of get one of those little rounded bottoms here on XRP BTC, right? But each time we drop down through the 0.886, and that's what's happening now. Let's go back to the USD chart that I have up over here. Okay, so what I like to look at, guys, like I said, if I'm doing any type of long-term investing or I'm looking to accumulate for a move that's coming, this is the type of stuff you're looking for, a complete bubble pop in a project that's still excelling. Because whether you like Ripple or not, it's still getting adopted. There's a lot of things that are taking place for Ripple out there, and it just is what it is, guys. And whenever large amount of volume, so a lot of times when you see a big stick like this start coming back into the market like we kind of had over here, that can be a sign that some people are starting to accumulate. Now, in terms of indicators, I want to point out a couple things to you. First, we're going to go to our stochastic. And what I like now is we're not in overbought territory. We're at 31 and 28. And if you take a look at this here, guys, we did have a bullish cross to the upside. Now, we have to wait to see if we get some type of follow through. But typically, when we're down this low, do you see down in here, guys, we usually always pump back up. Down in this level, we pump back up. Down in this level, we pump back up. So we're going to see if this will continue, guys, to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at. If this is, not the most terrible place to slowly start accumulating. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, and it all depends on Bitcoin. Bitcoin breaks down, guys. Anything can happen. One moment, please. I just got to turn my phone off there. Sorry, guys. That's my other business calling. So what you need to pay attention to, though, are these market cycles, and you have to plan for them and have the coins ready so that when it makes that strong, aggressive move, guys, you're ready for it. The next indicator that I wanted to show you was our relative strength index. With our relative strength index, you can see the price was going down, but our RSI was actually gaining strength. We were having higher lows down here, and right now we're at 43. So we're in a nice spot here. If we can, make a good move with XRP, we've been up as high as, guys, we've been up as high as 91 before. So I want you to know, to the upside and to the downside, those indicators can get very overextended. Okay, but it's nice the fact that we're having some bullish divergence there on the RSI, guys. You know, and I wanted to make this video quick for you. I didn't want to make it too long, but I wanted to put it on your radar that, you know, if you're interested in this company and you think it's going to do well down the road, we're sitting at the exact spot right here. See that right there, guys? Look where we're at now. Same spot as before we had that blast off. I'm not saying it's going to happen right now, but you know, it happens, guys, so quick. You can go to bed one night and before you know it, Ripple is at 24, 25 cents. You wake up, it's at 75 cents. It's at 50 cents. That's just how it goes. And what we'll need to do is work our way up here, okay? So first, guys, just kind of looking at the macro here. Big overhead resistance is going to be at 51. Then it's going to be, let's see here, guys. We're going to look, probably it'd be around that 93 cents to $1. Those are the major levels that we would really need to try to get over. But you can see if we're drawing support here, down in here, we're sitting directly at that same spot. Let me turn that green for you just so you can see. So I just want to put this on your radar, guys. You know, Ripple's been one that, not like Litecoin, where Litecoin went down to $22, and because of the halving, it went up to, you know, $145, and now you're seeing it back at $55. Ripple, since this huge spike almost 2 years ago, it's just been getting smashed to the downside. So this is one that's been very depressed, and I just wanted to put it on your radar, guys. So if you like these, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know down low if you want me to keep covering Ripple XRP, guys. Appreciate you being here with me today. God bless.